Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone to our video tutorial from the eLearn unit Taibah English Language Center. Okay, since you are required to create a form for your section, first you need to create a Gmail account. So go on Google and type in, for example, create Gmail account, and then follow the instructions accordingly. If you have already a Google account, then all you need to do is log in into your account, into your email, and at the top right corner, click on this option, Google Apps, and then you want to scroll down and select Forms. It might be under More from Google, but it should be there, Forms. All right, it will give you this option right here to create the form. So go ahead and click on blank. All right, here's the title of the form. So you might want to call it Speaking Assignment. Speaking 1 assignment, and maybe your section. Say, for example, my section is M24. All right. Also, just click here to make sure the title is there. You can type in the form description or the assignment that was given, any description if you want. Or in the form description, you can copy paste maybe the assignment itself. That would make it easier for the students. All right, like I did over here. Or you can just put in a description of it. Once you're ready, go to the next question and type in, enter your full name. Make sure this is a short answer. All right, make sure it's required. And then click this plus to add another question. And here we're going to ask them to enter their student ID number. Okay. Again, required, short answer. Here you can type in, enter your section. All right, just in case. Required. Just in case you might get a student who accidentally gets your link, or somehow, at least you can figure out that the student is from your section. All right. Then here you want to also enter your university email address. All right, short answer, make sure it's required. Okay. All right, that's the information that you need from the students when it comes for their information. But now you need them to upload their speaking assignment. To do that, just click on the plus, select the option where you click on File Upload. All right, now it's going to ask you, let respondents upload files to Drive. Make sure if you already have a Gmail account that you have enough space on your Drive, but usually Google gives up to 15 gigs for personal drives. So click continue. All right. Allow only specific file types. Because this is a speaking assignment, you want to allow audio. All right. If you want, you could do video, but video will be too long. But more, you want just the students to upload their audio. Either it's going to be MP3 or MP4 file or so on. All right. Number of files you want them to upload, one file for each. Now, to be on the safe side, usually files are going to be short, but if you want, you can go up to 100 megabytes per student. If you do, or you can select 10, and if a student has an email or problem with the file is too big, maybe they can send it to you personally via email. All right. So you do that, and then select required. Here, enter the question. Upload your speaking audio, or you can say upload your recorded speaking audio. Just let you know the student, this is where they upload the audio file. All right, make sure it's required. All right, and once you're all set, all you have to do is click. Let's check the settings here. Make sure the option here says accepting responses when you're ready. Okay. Um, this should be fine. The format. When you're ready, click send. All right, and then what you want to do is click this option right here, and then shorten your URL. This is the link for the Google Forms that you're going to provide to your students, as well as probably the administration. Click copy, and then just send that to your students as it will appear like this. All right. Google Forms automatically saves your progress for 30 days. Okay. And this is what the student will look like from the student perspective. All right. You have the option to preview it by clicking here also. All right. And like I said, once you're ready, you click send and then shorten the URL. Do not collect emails because that will require them to actually have Gmail accounts. All right. We don't want to do that. All right. And then you send the link. Okay. Once you've gotten your response, all right, you'll be able to see the results by clicking here, create under responses, spreadsheet, then click create. And then a spreadsheet will be available where it'll have all the information of the students, the time they actually did the activity or the task, their full name, their ID number, their section, the university email address, and then the link to their recorded audio. You will click on that, you will listen to it, and then you'll be able to give grades. And we'll talk about that accordingly afterwards. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. This is on how to create a Google form in Google. Thanks.